Mary, she must have forgotten to close it today. Looking around, may I keep my ulster on that peg? It's quite wet. Now, children, Mary is answering. Tinku has questioned that how you have entered the house when Paro has locked. This Mary is telling that she must have forgotten today to lock, and looking around everywhere, she asks Tinku that can I put my this ulster? Ulster means coat. Can I put my coat on that peg? Peg means keel. So here Tinku is telling that can I keep my ulster on that peg? It is quite wet. Tinku curiously, what is an ulster now? Tinku is asking that ये ulster क्या होता है? Mary is surprised. My overcoat. Have you not heard the word before? This Mary is telling that my overcoat. क्या तुम पहले ये word कभी सुनी नहीं हो? Tinku, not really. Anyway, I must thank you for showing my aunts the way home that evening. You should come in, all of us would have enjoyed ourselves. Now, Tinku is telling that no, I was not knowing that this ulster is called the raincoat. But anyway, Mary, I am very thankful to you that you helped my aunt in reaching the way home that evening. And you should have also came. We would have enjoyed a lot. Mary, I am very sorry. My father would be very worried if I did not get home in the evening. He is afraid I may get lost. Now, children, Mary is telling that I am very sorry for this, but usually in the evening, I don't stay out of the house. I stay inside my house because my father gets worried that I may get lost. हम खो जाएंगे, इसीलिए पापा जो है बहुत डरते हैं और हम इसीलिए शाम को घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं. Tinku, how could you get lost with shadow around? Now Tinku is telling that when shadow is with you, then how will you get lost? Mary laughing, I wouldn't. But daddy says it is very easy to lose one's way in these hills like your aunts did the other day. Now Mary, what she laughs and she tells that, oh, it's okay. But my daddy tells that it is very easy to lose the way on the hills like your aunts. That means मेरी कहती है, हंसते हुए कहती है कि हो सकता है शैडो है मेरे साथ तो हम नहीं भूलें, पर मेरे डैडी कहते हैं कि हिल्स में हम लोग अपना रास्ता भूल सकते हैं, ठीक उसी प्रकार जिस प्रकार तुम्हारी आंट्स लोग उस दिन आई थी तो भूल गई थी. Tinku, thank God they met you. But Mary, what is your father's name? No one knew who he was when I said he is a doctor who visits his patients on horseback. They thought I was joking. Now, children, this Tinku is telling that what is the name of your father? Nobody knew him. And when I told that, Tinku is telling that when I told that Mary's father is a doctor, nobody believed. They were asking the names and nobody believed that he used to go to visit the patients there. Hence how dog patients should come here, but here he is visiting the patients. Mary, I thought everyone knew him. Tinku, I forgot to mention he is British. Maybe that is why. Now here children, Mary is telling that I thought that everyone knew him. Mary thought that everybody knew his father. But Tinku told that, oh, I forgot to mention that he is a British. Now Mary here interrupts. But he is the only doctor here. Mary is telling that though he is a British, but he is the only doctor here. Tinku laughing merrily, oh no, Mary, there are many doctors at Dulyathal. There is Dr. Rawal and Dr. Bose and Nauchalin here. Tinku is laughing and she told that Mary, there are many more doctors here, like Dr. Rawal and Dr. Bose. Everybody knows them, but nobody knows your father. Mary talking very fast. Tinku, do you want to play hopscotch now? Now Mary here, she interrupts. She doesn't want to talk anything about her father. So what she is interrupting Tinku, and she asks Tinku that will you play hopscotch now? Tinku interested. I have never heard of it. Will you teach me? Now Tinku, she is telling that she has never heard about this hopscotch and she is asking Mary to teach her. Mary, cheerfully, I have a piece of chalk in my pocket. I will draw the coat in that corner of the carpet. We don't have a flat stone to use. Do you have a bobby pin? Nauchalin here, Mary is telling that I have a piece of chalk and with that chalk I will draw the coat of in that corner, and then we will use some, and then we will play with flat stones, and but we don't have this flat stones. Do you have a bobby pin? What is a bobby pin, children? A pin generally which we use to clip our hair, that is called bobby pin. Here Mary is telling that मेरे पास चौक है पॉकेट में और चलो हम लोग उधर कोने में कॉर्नर में ज़मीन पे कोट बनाते हैं और उसी में हम लोग खेलेंगे, परंतु हम लोगों के पास स्टोन्स तो नहीं है. तो डू यू हैव अ बॉबी पिन? क्या बॉबी पिन है? टिंकू, नो. Can't we use anything else? Tinku is telling that no, I don't have bobby pin. Mary, it's all right. Use mine. You will need it for throwing. Mary is telling that okay, if you don't have, then it's okay. You play with my bobby pin. When my chance will come, then I will play with my bobby pin. When your chance will come, then you will play with my bobby pin. Okay? Now turn your page.